know where the rev limiter is in this car. Thank you. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, okay.
Your shootout car is working running again about 11:30, so just FYI.
What's happening? You guys racing today?
Nah.
No? Nobody?
Issues. No. I tried yesterday, but I'm having I don't know, just new issues.
It's all good.
New computer.
Just go with your gut feeling, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I didn't want to push to get the wagon out. I didn't want to rush it.
Yeah, so, and there was still hella stuff I had to do, and I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna call it.
It's all good.
Just gonna come and watch.
At least coming out here to enjoy it, at least, you know?
Yeah, for sure, man.
That's why it's good seeing you guys out here. Hey, I'm sorry to send you guys home early, man, but it was all for the fun, man.
I got what I asked for.
Hey, you got what you asked for. He wanted to line up with me, I lined up with him, and now he's going home. That's all good, man. Drive safe, bro. I'll see you guys. So I just raced a subscriber's car. He did a 13.4, I did a 12.9, and I had to let off because he was way back there. So I am off to the next round, guys. Let's get it.
I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me.
District B10, Sean and Mel. Now from 10, we're going to do the gender reveal, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a girl!
Lopez Integra out of line.
Las Vegas, the bright gold car over there.
Next round, guys. Hell yeah. Guys, I know I haven't really spoken much today. We've just been racing, and I'm very surprised that today actually kind of went really smoothly. They kind of did things a little differently, a little more organized, so that's awesome. I'm running a 1250 index. If you guys haven't already noticed, I've kind of been going rounds, and we're literally in the top 3 right now. You got my KRX, you got Tony with his EG. Hey fellas, what's your name, bro? Christian. Christian. Yep. Your name? Chase. He's got this car right here. First time on the track?
First time, yeah.
First time on the track, and guess where he's at? He's in the top 3 right here. Look at this. First time on the track. We've been kind of just giving him some pointers and stuff on improving his driving and everything, and he's been doing great. So top 3, they're paired. I got the bye, so that means I'm guaranteed second. And man, if I go up against Tony, man, this guy, that's a driver right there, guys. That's a driver. So right now they're gonna run all these classes up, and then they're gonna ring us up.
Okay, 1250 cars, you should be getting ready. Trying to get all your semifinals out of the way here.
Oh shit! Hey, did we go back up? I think so, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna grab a drink and I'm gonna head up right now. One more, baby. Tony's a good driver, man. kidding me? Fucking A, bro.
What you got?
Second place.
Where'd you get you at?
I missed second.
Ah.
I missed second and I still trapped my fastest speed today. What the fuck? Second is hard, bro. Look. I'll take it.
Good job.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy.
Good job.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. How'd you do?
I lost first round to Chris.
Oh yeah. Damn.
My wife helped me cut the shoelace off.
Oh damn, that damn shoelace, bro. It should have came off there in that pass, bro. Hey, at the end of the day, I had a great time. Second place, 1250. Tony took first. That's freaking awesome. As always, this guy's always taking all the classes.
3 for 3 this year.
3 for 3.
Yeah, 3
I ain't racing 1250 no more, bro. I need to join you guys in 1150 or something.
That's where I'm going next.
Oh, that's where you going next? You should have went there today. I missed the gear.
Oh, you missed the
I missed the gear. I got too excited.
And I just cruised to victory. I did.
Yeah, I gave it
I
all.
thought he wasn't there. I was like, I'm not gonna break out. I hate to spank you like this, but
I missed second gear, but I went the fastest today. Mile an hour.
Really?
That's weird.
It has to be the heat and everything.
Yeah, I think it had to play. It played a big role. Today it was really hot, guys. Sun's faded. It's a little cooler, a little bit breezy, and I guess that's just kind of how racing goes. I've never gone this far in an index before. No, I've only been third.
Oh, no kidding.
Last year was third. This year second. I'm gonna take you out next year. Watch.
First.
I'm gonna take you out next year. Watch.
I'll race one with you just for that.
Yeah. So everybody, all the winners and all the runner-ups, they're all just chilling here, waiting for the, I guess, the payout.
Yeah.
And the payout's pretty good.
Payout's better if it was legit this year.
I mean, you know, that's a $700 first payout right there. You guys got
I think 150.
150?
Yeah.
Because the guy over there told me the 1250 first place gets 6, second runner-up gets 250.
That sounds right.
Yeah,
On
but
the
then
1050, I think it's a 7.
and they pay out more. So
7 for him, 300 for the one he beat.
yeah, so that's you guys.
No. He beat us in the semi.
Oh,
You
okay.
made the quarter.
And then then the semi is 150.
Hopefully the payout is good,
quarters
because you know what I'm
is
saying.
like
We ain't racing for free out here. On 3, MR2 squat.
The Honda motor.
All right. Thank you.
Toyota K. Cheese or something, man. God damn. On 3, teddy bear.